A few months back, I made a video on 5 prompts that stop you from wasting Claude, and a lot of you asked for more. So here they are, 5 more prompts that quietly do your work for you. The kind of thing you'll wish you would have been using all along. These are different from the first set, so even if you saw that video, you're going to want these. If you appreciate me making this type of content, let me know by gently tapping that like button. Let's get into it. All right. The first one is what I call cloning your voice. Most people fight with Claude trying to describe how they want something to sound. Stop describing it and just show it. Paste in a few things you already have written that you're proud of, an email, a post, whatever, and tell Claude, this is how I write. Match this exact voice and tone for everything I ask you from now on. Now, every draft comes back sounding like you instead of sounding like a robot, and you stop rewriting everything by hand. The second prompt turns a one-time task into a system you never have to think about again. Anytime you do something in Claude that just worked, don't just move on. Say, turn what we just did into a repeatable step-by-step process I can reuse and tell me exactly what information you'll need from me each time. Claude hands you back a little system here. Next week, you paste it in, fill in the blanks, and the work is basically done for you. Now, quick break. If you want to connect with me directly, I'd really like that, by the way. The link is in the description along with other resources I mentioned below. All right, back to it. The third prompt is the one nobody uses and everybody needs. Before you send that proposal, that email, that landing page, paste it into Claude and say, argue against this. Find the weak spots, the holes, and anything a smart skeptic would push back on. This is like having someone proofread your thinking, not just your spelling. You catch the problem before your client does, and that saves you way more than time. Number 4. It handles the work you hate, the follow-up. After a call or a meeting, paste in your messy notes or the transcript and say, pull out the key decisions, list my action items, and write a short follow-up email I can send right now. What used to eat 20 minutes after each call takes about 30 seconds, and nothing slips through the cracks anymore. And the fifth one, it kills the blank page for good. The hardest part of anything is starting. So stop starting from nothing. Give Claude one line. I want to write. Fill in a quick example like a welcome email for new clients. And then tell it, give me a complete first draft so I'm editing instead of staring at a blank screen. Editing something is 10 times faster than creating it. And Claude is great at the rough first pass. So those are the 5 more prompts that do your work for you. Clone your voice, turn tasks into systems, poke holes before you send, clean up the follow-up, and kill the blank page. Pick one and run it on your very next task. And if you somehow missed the first prompts, that's the video you want next. You can see it above my shoulders here. And I want to thank you for watching. And as always, have a great day, evening, or night.